Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here. In this next example, we're asked to give the coordinates of each point. So let's just refresh our brain on writing coordinates out. When we write coordinates out, we're going to use ordered pairs. It's our x value first, followed by our y value second. We use a comma to separate the values, and we house them in parentheses. So now let's take these ordered pairs and look at them within each quadrant of our coordinate plane. So starting with the first quadrant here, our ordered pairs are always, x values are positive, and our y values are positive as well. So we have positive and positive values for our ordered pairs within the first quadrant. Now we're going to move counterclockwise to our second quadrant. Here, all of our x values are negative. They're smaller than 0, but our y values are larger than 0, so they're positive in our second quadrant. Now we're going to move counterclockwise again to our third quadrant. Here, all of our x values and all of our y values are negative. And now we can move along to our fourth quadrant. Our x values within the fourth quadrant are positive. Our y values within this quadrant are negative. Okay, so now we can take all of this information and apply it to each problem above. So let's write the coordinates for point A. Point A is within the second quadrant, so the x value is going to be negative, the y value is going to be positive. Whenever we locate a point or we give coordinates for a point, we always start at the origin, but we always move horizontally first. Just think of it as getting onto an elevator real quick. First, you've got to move horizontally. You've got to get into the elevator first. From there, you can determine if you're going to move up or down in that elevator. So you'd move vertically second. So horizontally first, vertically second. So starting at the origin, we're going to move horizontally, or to the left of 0 in this case, -1 and -2 units. So our x value is -2, followed by our y value, which we're going to move up 1, 2, and 3 units up. So I'm going to write it 3 down and house those within parentheses. Another way of thinking about this is 2 units to the left, 3 units up. Since we're moving to the left of 0, we have a negative value. Since we're moving up from 0, we have a positive value for our y value. Cool, let's find point B and give the coordinates of point B. So point B is located in quadrant 1. Our x value is 1. We're moving to the right of 0, 1 unit. Since we're moving to the right of 0, we have a positive value, +1. And we're going to move up 1, 2. So moving up 2 units, we have +2. So to the right, 1, up 2. Let's look at point C. Point C, well, it's really in between quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. So we're going to start at the origin. Our x value, we're not moving to the left of 0, we're not moving to the right of 0. Our x value is at 0. So let's go ahead and write that down. So it's 0, followed by our y value. So starting at the origin again, we're going to move down 1, 2 units down. So that's -2. And let's just fix that real quick. So we have -2. And finally, point D. Point D is located in the third quadrant. So starting at the origin, we're moving to the left 2 units. So left 2 units, that's -2. Followed by down 1, 2, 3. So down 3 units, that's -3. We can close the parentheses. Cool stuff.